Bro, it's 9 o'clock. It's almost 9:30 over here on the West Coast. Wednesday, 9:28 p.m. July. What the fuck today? The 17th. We're here to talk about some racist shit that people just think is funny. My mama hot. The reason I'm dropping this video right now, when I'm done recording, I'm gonna clip in the video part and then I'm posting it to YouTube. I've been figuring out how I want to react and respond to this situation for the last 30 something hours when I got the video. I'm making this video because there was a smaller channel that I guess people know. The video was sent to me. They did a roast of their top 21 Vegas content creators where they got supposed to be roasting the creators and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and play my clip right now so y'all can see why we here.
Right.
Adding some diversity to the countdown is number 13, the Vegas Paradise. Part travel agent, part nightclub promoter, this cosmopolitan loving, perpetually self-promoting homeboy keeps it real about Vegas from the comfort of his neon-lit bedroom. So, if you want to keep current on the best nightclubs and pool parties on the Strip, then peep this channel. But don't forget your Urban Dictionary.
He sort of reminds me of the guy who walks up to you and tries to sell you his rap CDs while you're on the Strip.
Exactly. Yeah.
Now, this racist ass shit, let me tell you, man. I commented on y'all video earlier and I said the Urban Dictionary was wild with the laughing emoji because I thought that shit was crazy that y'all put this whole shit about me out here on Front Street. I thought that shit was wild for real. And then I straight told y'all I respect the fact that y'all put this racist trolling shit up out here for people to see. And y'all didn't do it behind these Facebook groups and Twitter groups because a lot of the stuff y'all said in the video, I've already heard about me. I keep telling y'all, I be tapped into the YouTube streets. I've heard a lot of this stuff about me behind closed doors that wasn't supposed to get back to me. So I respect the fact that y'all put it in the video. You know what I'm saying? J. Cole said all jokes contain true shit. But look, this all I'm going to say. None of y'all on this internet space I am cool with to joke about me racially. None of y'all is cool. None of y'all better never say the N-word around me. Talking about I look like that or I remind you of that guy that sells CDs. No, the fuck I don't. I got a legitimate LLC. I've been running the business for years. I do reservations and marketing. I'm not the pool party plug guy. I'm the Vegas guy. Room tour. I'm one of the top room tour guys ever to make Vegas room tours. I do nightclub and stuff for the promotion side. I do reservations. I give travel tips. It's not just no semi-Vegas channel. I do it all. This a business. This a Las Vegas reservations and marketing channel. This a business channel. I don't do this because I'm trying to be internet famous like a lot of people on the internet. Don't play with my ethnicity. I don't play that shit at all from nobody. And none of y'all on this internet will ever be cool enough with me to play around with me like that. I'm not y'all homeboy. A lot of y'all get on me, say that I be too professional in my videos sometimes. So for them to even tell y'all to need Urban Dictionary to translate the way I be, bro, that shit's not funny. None of it was funny. Matter of fact, I would say 3% of y'all video was actually funny. To me, 97% of it was not funny at all. I thought it was goofy. Let me be out here joking around calling somebody gay, sexualizing women, talking about we want to see more of y'all in a bikini. Because let me come out here and be like, a lot of the reason these females out here is big what they is because of how they be in their thumbnails and shit. Y'all gonna be calling me sexist, all kind of crazy shit. I say it's selective acceptance. Y'all got selective acceptance out here on the internet. I'm a grown man at the end of the day, man. And there's just certain stuff I won't play, especially running the business. I'm not okay or co-signing none of that. Keep the video up. Don't take the video down. People find it funny, let people laugh. That just tell me what type of people it is, you know. But I want y'all to hear it from me directly since y'all thought my comment was something that it wasn't. That shit not funny to me at all. I'm not okay with it. But y'all can leave the video up. Because, you know, to y'all it was funny. It's just a reminder of how people be moving out here. And then to the community, I don't want nobody to pick sides. I ain't never been that type of guy. But I just want y'all to know, all of y'all who be watching stuff like this that's not okay and don't comment, y'all be enabling bad behavior. Y'all don't help this shit at all. Y'all make it worse. Messaging people like, did you see this? Did you see that? How about you comment on the video so the creator know that stuff not okay? A lot of y'all be so worried about what the creator gonna think about y'all. They humans at the end of the day. Who fucking cares? A lot of people seem like they ain't got no respect out here. But me, I operate. Respect is at the top of my list. If there's no respect, you ain't got nothing out here. So let this be a message to any and everybody who watched this video, who come across this channel. Don't play about my ethnicity, man. If you think I'm taking this too serious, cool. Go ahead, keep that shit pushing. But it's just certain levels of respect that I don't tolerate. I'm a grown ass man and I can't tolerate certain stuff. That ain't it. Don't play around with my image because I got a brand in the business. Don't be making this about something that it ain't. Y'all drop y'all comments below if y'all got anything else y'all want to discuss.
Hey, what up, say? One time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. Yeah. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals. Did it all by myself, I don't need nothing. Dropped 100 songs, I'ma keep coming. Remember times they wouldn't reply, now they all hit me like they need something. Labels hit me, now they see something, but I told them all, you ain't seen nothing. I've been putting all the work in, if you ain't sawing with me, you ain't read nothing. How it is, I don't make the calls. Gas it up, shit about to blow, make 1 million. I got 1 million flows, I'm 1 million shit with 1 million goals. Time ticking, now I hear it, dawg. I don't say it, but I seen it all. Seen the post and I seen the hate, so when it hit me now, I ignore the calls. No time for it, just being honest. Way back, I said I got it. Same guy, same shit, nothing changed. Set the pockets, money came, I got the profits. Bet it all, put it on us. In the past, I said I'm next, but I'm here now, I was being honest. 1 time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deal. 1 time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals.
Whoa, giant to a maggot, big boss status. Ain't gon' lie, I really wish they would like a cabin. I ain't do no frontin', get my money on the back end. Yesterday's price ain't today, now we taxing. Way out the fear, ain't no way out for me. They always told me I'm the wave, like I'm way out. And see, I know some real ones turn state, ain't no way I could be out here living like the villain, only way up for me. Moving out the purges, I give time if it was worth it. If you coming for my fam, then you know I take it personal. Say that you the GOAT, I asked around, I never heard of you. Rocky road ahead and there's some things I had to hurdle through. Pick a side, pick your poison.